face-centered unit cell. Face-centered unit cell. So in face-centered unit cells, atoms are arranged at corners, obviously, and in the center of the faces. Center of the faces. So 8 corners, 8 into contribution is 1 by 8. So when you consider corners, atom is 1. If we consider faces, 6 faces, so the total atoms is 3. Half of it will come inside that one. So total, when we consider faces, 3, corners 1. So rank is equal to 4. Remaining everything is same. Rank is 4. Volume of unit cell is A into A cube. What is the relation between R and A here? R equal to root 2 by 4 into A. Relation between R and A, radius and edge length, root 2 by 4A, or else A equal to 4R by root 2. Both are same. And next, volume of atom, spherical thing, is equal to 4/3 pi R cube. Simple as usual, packing fraction. So volume occupied by atoms by volume of unit cell. So that is equal to volume occupied by atoms, that is equal to 4/3 pi R cube. But how many atoms? This is for by one atom. How many atoms are there per unit cell? 4 atoms are there. So 4 into 4 by 3 pi R cube by volume of unit cell, A cube. So then again same thing, substitution of A or R in this one. So what happens? 16 by 3 pi, R value is root 2 by 4A, root 2 by 4A whole cube by A cube. That is equal to 16 by 3 pi root 2 into root 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 A cube by A cube. So simply these 2 will get cancelled. So next, sorry, by 4 is also there. 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64. By 64 A cube. A cube will get cancelled. 16 4s are 64. So 2 2s are 4. Root 2 and pi is also there. Root 2 pi by 6. By substituting the value of pi here, approximately we will get the value of 0.74. So packing fraction is 0.74. So packing efficiency is 0.74 into 100. That is 74%. Basing on these two values, void 100 minus 74%, 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 7, 26%. So this is about face-centered unit cell.